Welcome to Math with Market. Today we're gonna solve a really nice math problem from Ukrainian Math Olympiad. So let's talk about this. If we have x to the power of 4 minus 7x cubed plus 14x squared minus 7x plus 1, that's equals 0. And we know that x is a real number. We want to find x in this really nice question. So it means we have to know that if, for example, we have x minus 1 to the power of 4, what will happen? You can write it as x minus 1 squared. So we will have x squared minus 2x plus 1 squared. And if you calculate this one, it will equal x to the power of 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 1, that's equal, plus, let me clean it. Yeah, that's it, plus 1. So it means, for example, if you look at the main equation and this one, you can write it as x minus 1 to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed plus 8x squared minus 3x, and that's equal 0. Why? Because if you add minus 3x cubed to the minus 4x cubed, you will get minus 7x cubed, and 8x squared plus 6x squared will be equal 14x squared, and minus 4x plus minus 3x will be equal minus 7x, and yeah, that's it. So it means I can write x minus 1 to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed. Instead of 8x squared, I want to write 6x squared plus 2x squared, right? So I will have plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 2x squared, that's equal 0. So let's continue. If I factor in this equation, if I factor 3x, this one, we will have x minus 1 to the power of 4 minus 3x times x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x squared, that's equal 0. So we have x minus 1 to the power of 4 minus 3x. You can write this one as x minus 1 squared plus 2x squared, that's equal 0. In this case, I want to use a substitution. That's very important. X minus 1 squared, I want to call it a. So I will have a squared minus 3xa plus 2x squared, that's equal 0, right? So it means I want to write this one as x minus 3, x minus 2a times x minus a, and that's equal 0. So it means that's 2a, and it means we have two situations. The first one, x has to be equal a. The second one, x has to be equal 2 times a. And the first one, x will be equal a. What was a? X minus 1 squared. So that's equal x squared minus 2x plus 1. And it means we have x squared minus 3x plus 1, that's equal 0. And in this case, x will be equal 2 times a, and that will be equal to x squared minus 4x plus 2, and it means 2x squared minus 5x plus 2, that's equal 0. And here we have the number 1 and number 2. We have two quadratic equations and we have to solve them to find all x. The first one, x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal 0. So I have the video that I told you, if for example you have a y squared plus by plus c is equal to 0, you can calculate y with this really nice formula: negative b positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. So it means x is equal negative b, that's equal 3, positive and negative square root of b squared, that's equal 9, minus 4 times a, that's equal 1, times c, and that's already equals 1 divided by 2 times a is equal 1. So it means we have 3 positive and negative square root of 5 divided by 2. And it means we have two answers for this really nice equation. The second one, we had 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal 0. It means x will be equal 5 positive and negative square root of b squared, that's equal 25, minus 4 times a, that's equal 2, times c, that's equal 2 again, over 2a is equal 2. So it means under this one, 25 minus 16, that's equal 9, square root of 9 is equal 3. So we have 5 positive and negative 3 over 4, and it means we have two answers. The first one, x is equal 5 plus 3, that's equal 8 over 4 is equal 2, and x is equal 5 minus 3, that's equal 2 over 4, that's equal 1 half. And it means we have four answers for our main equation. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.